Wild thyme, Thymus serpyllum, is a versatile and aromatic herb that can be a wonderful addition to any garden or landscape. This low-growing perennial plant is known for its small. In addition to its ornamental value, wild thyme also possesses medicinal properties and attracts beneficial pollinators. If you're interested in cultivating wild thyme in your garden, this video will provide you with essential tips and guidance to help you grow and care for this delightful herb. Choosing the right location. Wild thyme thrives in well-drained soil and requires at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Soil preparation. Before planting wild thyme, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to ensure good drainage. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to enrich the soil and improve its fertility. Planting wild thyme. Wild thyme can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or by dividing an existing plant. Sow the seeds in early spring or late summer, covering them lightly with soil. Watering. While wild thyme is drought-tolerant once established, it is crucial to provide adequate water during the initial stages of growth. Water the plants regularly to keep the soil slightly moist but not waterlogged. Once the plants have matured, they generally require little supplemental watering, except during prolonged dry spells. Mulching and weed control. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the plants can help retain soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Mulch with materials like straw, wood chips, or compost, but ensure that the mulch does not directly touch the plant stems to prevent rot. Pruning and maintenance. To keep wild thyme compact and encourage bushy growth, prune the plants in early spring or after the flowering period. Trim back any dead or woody stems, and lightly shear the overall foliage to maintain its shape. Regular pruning will also help prevent the plant from becoming invasive. Fertilization. Wild thyme generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. However, if your soil lacks essential nutrients, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Harvesting and uses. You can start harvesting wild thyme leaves once the plant is well established. Gather the leaves in the morning after the dew has dried for the best flavor. Use fresh or dried wild thyme leaves in various culinary dishes, such as soups, stews, salads, and marinades. It is also a popular choice for herbal teas and potpourri. Growing and caring for wild thyme can be a rewarding experience for any gardener. With the right conditions and proper maintenance, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of this versatile herb while reaping its culinary and medicinal benefits. Follow the tips and guidance provided in this video, and soon you'll have a flourishing wild thyme plant in your garden. Happy gardening!